Yep. This boss. Anyway. If you're guessing, no, the boss isn't a jellyfish. I said boss. So, here we get the bioelectric anemone Baronade. I call it Baronade, even though it's Baronade. No. I never actually, tried to do that. I actually did it. Because I always target, target? I said target, whatever that is. Targeting just seems easier. Let's see, so, I recommend holding down the target button. Wow, there's one left. I recommend, if you're, in the middle of all of the jellyfish, hold down the target button and shoot with your slingshot, and you'll be able to, that's strange. Like how that, oh my god. He actually hit it, even though it wasn't targeting it. So, no. Jellyfish die. I actually never looked at the description on this guy. Baronade. It's not Baronade. Baronade's the thing right there. I don't get that. I'm targeting the little jellyfish. Wow. That was actually awesome. So, Deku Stick does more damage. So, I praise in Deku Sticks, even though I have Deku Sticks, I don't use Deku Sticks, but I just like Deku Sticks. Ooh, stop jumping into them. And when you get electrocuted, you actually can't use items for a certain time. Hey. Yeah, one more Deku Stick, that's all I need though. The skin doesn't. Can you bomb Baronade? Obviously I can't if I'm failing like that, but let me see if I can bomb Baronade. I've already tried. So I need to put it there, grab a bomb, dude. Do that. Nope, can't. I should have known. Anyway, so there's Baronade. And Baronade explodes. It makes a weird defeat sound. So we killed Baronade. Yay! We're holding a Deku Stick like a boss, even though we don't have any left. And we get next heart containers. There's two more pieces of heart. I believe we can get. But I just heard something. I think I got my name. It wasn't me, it was my mom. No, it wasn't me who my mom called, it was my sister, and our names sound very much alike. They both start with J's, and that's awesome. Anyway, so, now we get the spiritual stone after this little cutscene. So, Ryu's all up in our face. Isn't cool, Ryudo, you're such a jerk. Anyway. Yep, get that done. Yeah. I think there's two more pieces of heart we can get. I think I already got the ones I'm thinking about. But, yeah, two more pieces of heart we can get, but I'm not going to get since I'm just going to, well, yeah, I want the Spirit Stone. Anyway. There's also a Gold Skulltula around here somewhere, but I refuse to get it. And Ryo does her epic backswim. Backflip underwater, like a boss, and we get the Zora Sapphire. The big, shiny, sparkly stone. Yay! It's blue. My favorite color. Orange my second, and green for third. Sadly, red isn't in those top three. That would be awesome if it was, but it's not. Anyway. Got Zora Sapphire. Yay! First part session, you don't know what you're talking about, but you finally collected all the Spirit Stone. Goodbye, see Princess Zelda. Oh, you Link. Don't tell my father. Anyway. So, yep, got that done. There's a Skulltula up on the, I think, around that area right there, but don't have to get it. Also, there's a Skulltula if you roll into this thing. I think. Well, dude didn't really roll into it. Yeah, there we go. Die. No. Then backflip, and Link's stuck like that. Not forever, but he's just stuck like that. Anyway. Now, this is secret entrance, but we cannot grab it because we do not have the power. Secret entrance right there to get a Skulltula. Which I will be getting. Well, not if I collect all 50 that I'm going to collect before, but I wish there was an infinite gold Skulltula glitch. That'd be awesome. I just get over 100. Yes, I'm a cheater. Don't call me a cheater, I don't care. Anyway, so see this fairy in the last episode we also saw a fairy. And anyway, the fairy laughs like a maniac. And Great Fairy of Magic. This is the second out of 3 Fairy of Magics. Yes, magics. I call it magics. Anyway, we get a green one this time. And we get Triple up here. We get Ferora's Wings. Yay! Warped using magic, blah 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 blah. Remember, you can only use Ferora's Wings only in dungeons, even though you can use restricted items to use it out of dungeons. Battles made you weary, please don't see me. And now we can also deliver this bunny hood to the Run Man. I said Run Man. I meant to say Run Man, but I meant running. But he will continue running through the day. So I should go waste my money before I do, because he gives you more than just 50 rupees for the mask. He gives you like way more than 50 rupees. I'm just gonna go waste money at the Bombchu bowling alley. See if I can get the bigger bomb bag, and yeah, I'll just do some collecting, I guess. Because yes, collecting is everything for 100% basically. Oh yeah, it's the fishing thing, which I won't do right now. That'll be for a nice special episode of fishing. Let me just cut that sign and lock a boss. Like that, yay. Yeah, I'm gonna go waste money on a bunch of bowling alley. Let's go do that. Since I don't want to actually, like, waste. Because he'll give you a crazy amount of money, it says, so might as well just, not waste it since I have the max amount of money right now. Yep. That. I said backflip, I meant to say jump attack. But anyway, we'll get more monies here, even though I don't need it. Funny how fast it goes. Oh, I forgot to... I have to go back in there. I have to go back and plant the magic bean at Hylia. No, I don't need it. Actually, I do for a piece of heart. Actually, no, I don't. Oh, I also need to go, like, Hylia for that reason. Whatever, I'll just go, like, Hylia the way besides using the Warp and Zora's River. There's a couple things we do there. Also need to get the Scarecrow song. Even though we don't need it, we can get the Scarecrow song. Because we don't need the Scarecrow song, but it's useful sometimes. Because we can use it to get the piece of hearts rather than using the magic bean, but I'm just gonna do stuff there. So let's actually go find this Running Man. Well, after I waste monies, which I'm not gonna waste monies right now. Yeah, we have Bombchus. Well, we don't have Bombchus, but we have the Bombchu icon thing. Now let's go search for this dude. So he only appears at nighttime. Well, he'll stop running at nighttime, so you want to try and find him at nighttime. Because if you can see him running in the daytime, that's when it's easy to spot him, and then turn it, if it's sun's on, turn it nighttime, but... Now, don't be alarmed if this camcorder suddenly shuts off, because it is almost dead. Actually, so you guys don't have to endure me, failing. I'll actually, wait to record for next time, so, see you guys, next time. I'll actually do the fishing thing on my own, since I really don't want to show it. I'll show the golden scale catching and me finding the Running Man. But that'll all be next episode. Well, let me just make it to Lake Hylia quickly. Oh, here he is! I don't care. I don't care. But those long years, can you hear the voices? Blah blah blah. Figuring out. My mind count. So I didn't even want to. Let me just show you. Hylia. While we're screaming our head off like a maniac. Anyway, let's equip those magic beans. Now we don't have a mask, and this is the only chance you actually have to get a no mask. I meant to say deliver all the masks. No, not really delivering, but anyway. This Link just screams his head off like a boss. Anyway, so yes, it's the Koopa Crowd. That was a really ugly voice. I apologize. Anyway, let's make it to Lake Hylia. There's the ladder. I always used to think that you'd have to use the warp or the Serenity of Water to get to Lake Hylia, but it appears that there's one right there, which I just figured out today, by the way. Yes, I'm stupid. Call me stupid. I don't care. Anyway, I'll be recording. Well, let me just show you Lake Hylia real quick. Yep, here's Lake Hylia. Pretty crappy place. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I'll plant the magic bean off screen since no one really needs to see that, and peace. Basically.